morning, guys. We have officially left Paris and today we are in the beautiful city of Annecy. Right now we're in our Airbnb and we're about to go explore the city. Last night we arrived pretty late. We arrived around like 8:30 at night. We ended up grabbing dinner at this place. It wasn't all that great, and honestly, with all of the stuff that we were lugging around, like, I was not about to vlog. But today should be a different day. Today should be a pretty fun one. I think we're gonna roam around the city. We're gonna see what's going on. I think we might even go to the beach a little while. And yeah, but first I'm gonna give you guys a mini tour of our Airbnb. It's a very small one. It's a studio, but it's very, very cutely decorated. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. We have the bed. And then right there is the door to the washroom, and the kitchen's pretty small. There's also this little banquet area which is full of our stuff right now where you could like have dinner potentially or lunch. And then there's a little kitchenette, and they have an espresso machine and a kettle, and it's a pretty well equipped space. So like I said, it's a tiny space, but it'll do the trick. It'll do the trick for sure. Adza, how are you feeling this morning?
I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling calm.
Less rush. I think like from this point forward our trip is going to be a little bit more mellow, which is nice. And also like we anticipate having like a few days where we like are not doing as many things, so we could just like actually rest. So that should be really fun. Anyways, we're out to go visit the city. You can see the mountains from here. Okay, so it's still cold. Okay. So like initial thoughts upon starting this day is that the city is very beautiful. Second thought that we have going through, we both said this, like we both had this going through our minds, which is we don't think that there's very many black people here. Like as we're walking and we're like coming across people, we're just like, oh, these people, we're representing. We're definitely c'est vraiment ça, diaspora. But we were thinking, we were just like, wow, these people must be like, yo, these girls are far from home for sure.
We are far from home.
But regardless, we're gonna have a beautiful day. We're gonna what are we even doing today, Noza?
Chilling. There's no plan.
There's no plan today. We're chilling, and at some point we're gonna try raclette. There you go. Simple breakfast, guys. A croissant, a latte, and a cute little view. Some pedalo. I'm so excited about this. This is the activity I wanted to do in Annecy. Like this is the main thing I wanted to do here, and I'm very excited. I'm very nervous to drop my camera in the water, so I probably won't be doing a lot of that, but it should be fun. Do adventures. Ready? Tell me a timer.
No.
Oh my gosh. Okay. This is something.
Mamie, viens. Viens voir cette beauté. Ah, c'est l'ordinateur qu'elle travaille.
This is the life, y'all. Allô, frère Kersen.
J'ai appelé mamie, mais elle m'a pas répondu. Ça y est, elle dit allô.
Oui. Could literally stay here forever. Si nous finissons, je vais être comme là. Okay. This is an English vlog.
Oh, sorry. You guys need to speak French. It's delicious. It's, I think, so far it exceeded our expectation. I think it's well made. It's just earthy. It's like a nice tight blanket in for your stomach.
Okay, what a description.
I know, look at me.
And we're only halfway through the meal. Good morning, guys. It is our last morning in Annecy. We're actually on our way to the train station right now. Actually, we're not on our way to the train station. We're checking out of our Airbnb, and then we're going to go grab another croissant, some coffee for the way out, and then we're going to come back to the Airbnb, pick up our luggage, and head to the train station because we have a train to Annecy, which is going to be stopping by Lyon as well, just briefly. And then it's on our way to Marseille, and that should be a fun little journey, a fun little 4 days. We're gonna be visiting little cities in Marseille, so that should be that. In case, I'm probably gonna end the vlog here and start a new vlog for the south of France. So I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning into this one. Bye.